Sé que nos peleamos, que a muchos somos los culpables. Estamos cansados, ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar, sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Véame, a poco me sorprende, vamos a dejar de lado lo que nos hace diferente.
Good morning, guys. Oh, these doors are so hard to close. We just woke up and we're on our way for breakfast. That was literally the best sleep that I ever had. Well, actually no, our quarantine hotel bed was immaculate, so this one comes in second. But we're on our way to breakfast right now, and this feels so surreal. Like we're just casually walking in a little paradise. Like, what? Anyways, the game plan for today is pack our stuff, go to that yellow bridge again, and then head over to Nusa Penida, and then stay there for a day. But right now we're gonna have some breakfast. Breakfast was very nice. We're about to go to the pool. We changed into our bathing suits and gonna take some pictures, hopefully some nice videos, but it is a little bit busy, so we'll see if I get shy or not. Pool day complete. We met a few Germans. They were super nice. Had a little conversation with them. Talked about the island, and now we need to pack and leave to Nusa Penida because the last boat leaves at 12 o'clock and it's 11:15 right now. So next time you'll see us is on a small boat on our way to Nusa.
Hasta septiembre, baby. Ya yo no puedo más. Toma todo lo que quieras y si quieres vas. No para de buscar, sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje.
Fun fact, we just met a kid that was ripping through these roads.
I swear he was like 8.
And he was not impressed with my driving. I let it slide though. He's the bigger guy here.
Vamos a hacer desastre, dime dónde buscarte, baby. Vaya a llegarme. Sabes que estoy puesto para lo que quieres. Ven, hagamos un baile. Vamos a armar la sola, fuente de placer. Tú, yo,
So we just got our ticket. It's 50,000 each, so 100,000 total. And we're waiting for 3 more people because the boat needs to fill up.
Ooh, it's getting humid.
Yeah, it's much warmer here than it is in Canggu, I guess because it's a little island. So you feel it more, less populated, maybe. Oh. Little bud came over. He's so cute. You're so cute. Oh yeah. Hello. What's your name? It's purring. Our little transportation boat. Time for a new island.
Seems doable.
Someone's bringing a scooter. I love that. We should have brought in our scooter. Spiced up our little lifestyle. It's a cute little boat.
I like the color.
En el suelo, aprovecho la noche juntos para complacernos. No para de buscar, sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo. Tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos.